This video is going to be over topic 13, numbers 1 and 2, finding relative change or percent change. Small here. So with percent change, super important to divide by the right thing. So if you divide by different things of the two values, it'll give you a different percentage. So starting by looking at number 1, a refrigerator costs $11.49 at Home Depot and $12.19 at Lowe's. And we're looking at the two possible percent change values. So percent change has essentially 3 steps. So you have a subtract step, and then you have a division step, and then you have a convert to percent step. So the subtraction, either order, really, we're just looking for the difference between those two values, which is 70. And then I can take that 70 divided by the 1219, or the 70 divided by the 1149. If I do 70 divided by the 1219, I'm treating the Lowe's as the reference. As sort of the old or the original value. And if I divide by 1149, I'm treating the Home Depot as the original. So that will affect what I can say about the resulting percentage. So 70 divided by 1219 comes out 0.0574, etc. So I got to convert that to percent form, and rounding to, it doesn't say rounding, let's go 5.7%. And if I do 70 divided by 1149, that is 0.0609, etc. So let's say 6.1%. Now, if you calculate both, then you can look, and the smaller percent is less. And the larger percent of the two is the percent more. The other thing you can look at is, all right, if I'm treating the 1219 as the original, I'm saying like from the Lowe's price going to the Home Depot price. So going down from the Lowe's price, so it's the amount that it goes down by. In a sentence form, the original value is what we'd say than with. So we can say Home Depot price is 5% lower than Lowe's. We could say that Lowe's charges 6.1% more than Home Depot. What you cannot do is interchange those percentages. So you can't say 6.1% less or 5.7% more. That would be incorrect. So number 2, we're looking at a gallon of gas cost $3.14 last month. This month it costs $3.01, and we want the relative change in price. So again, subtraction, $3.14 minus $3.01. We are subtracting amounts of money. So the result of that subtraction is also an amount of money. $3.14 minus $3.01 is 0.13. That is not 13%. It's not a percentage if you haven't done a division step. So to get the percentage, there has to be a division. This is still the amount of money. It's just saying it's 13 cents different. That's not the percentage. For the percentage, when something changing in time, it's going to be always divide by the older value. The original value, but old is shorter to write. So we need to divide. We have this month versus last month. Last month is the older value. So we need to divide the 0.13 by the 314. So we're not going to do 0.13 divided by 301. We need to divide it by the old, not the new. So 0.13 divided by 3.14 is 0.0414, etc. We're going to convert to percent form, so that's say 4.1%. And so what this means is it went from 314 to 301. It's a decrease here. So this is saying that the price of gas decreased by 4.1% this month. Something like that. So that's calculating percent change.